video is sponsored by StarPack Products. Hey everyone, our family had an evening at home, and as you can see from the Christmas jammies I'm wearing, we just decided to put some Christmas jammies on, and we decided to bake cookies together as a family. So let's get baking. So we have sugar cookie being rolled out here. What I love about it is you can buy those tubes and then just add flour and roll it out if you don't have time to start like completely from scratch and cream everything. But we also have the experience of using some from a mix from a box. Gingerbread I've done from complete scratch before, and I gotta be honest, it's not my favorite thing to do. But we're gonna do it from a box mix and see if we can still make it. But I think since this one's ready and this one's ready, now it's time to open up the cookie cutters. And now it's time for a word about our sponsor. StarPack is an online retail service. They serve areas across Asia Pacific and the US from their headquarters in Australia. They sell some amazing kitchen tools that you have seen us use in various videos, from their famous spoonula to silicone whisks to that amazing drink station that we use next to our Keurig. For a limited time, you can save 15% off of the 18-piece cookie cutter set that you see us use in this video. You can also save 5 cents on the cookie stamps that we also use. And don't forget to check out the super cute cookie bags that they also have for the holiday season that are perfect for parties, small gifts for teachers and friends. Edge of the box open. Here they are. I think I'm just going to try to dump them out. Let's do this. Can you hold this? I'm going to lift the box and you're going to put that on the table. Yeah, and then I'm going to put it back for a minute. Here's some more info about some of their other things. We actually have this set right here with the spoonula. We also have this set with the tiny spatulas. Those will probably be really handy for post baking. We bought some additional like cream cheese frosting because none of us like vanilla, right? We just like the cream cheese frosting, right? Right? Yeah, so we're gonna use that. And then we also bought this kit as well. Here it is. Oh cool, I actually did not know what was gonna come in this. So it actually has 2 sizes of star shape. It has a crinkle cut, has 1 tree, an angel, a candy cane, a bell, another tree. Do these stack different sizes? No, because one has a star and one doesn't. I actually like that, so you can do different ones. A heart, another angel, 2 sizes of gingerbread men. I'm assuming y'all are gonna want those. 3 sizes of stars. Is it really? Or snowflakes? Yeah, you know what I meant. 3 sizes of snowflakes. Oh yeah, because the stars are here. Yeah, 3 sizes of snowflakes.
They're all different shapes. See?
And they're all different shapes. That's pretty cool. And here is our snowman. Oh, look at the bottom. There's a reindeer, and there is a stocking. Reindeer is also cute for the gingerbread since reindeer fur is naturally brown too. So look at all these different shapes we have. So we're going to start with these, and then we will move on to the other part of the cookie cutting out in just a minute. other thing Star Pack sent us were these holiday cookie stamps. And I've seen these before, but I've never actually used them. So we're going to open them up and see what they look like and how to use them. These are the 6 it came with. It has a gingerbread man, a little stocking with a bow, an Eat Me, a snowman with a little scarf, a bell, and one that says homemade. So, where's your shade? Put it over here, please. All right, we're gonna do what it says. We're gonna dust it. It's pretty dusty. We're gonna press it on. And then once it's pressed on, it comes straight off. And then we use the ring to cut it out. Peel the rest around the edge while I hold that ring down. So that's another cookie trick, is if you leave your cookie cutter on until you pull it off, then it helps to keep your edges even. And there it is. That's so cute. And then we're going to use our silicone spatula to transfer it to the thing. You might want to dip it. Put it on there. So we're not 100% sure this will work, but what we want to do is, this is one of our favorite holiday cookies. Well, except for you, because you don't like
chocolate, but I like that. It has peppermint part.
Oh, you do like that then. Okay. Normally you don't like chocolate, right?
Yeah, I don't like dark chocolate, but I like hot cocoa.
But you do like the gingerbread, right?
Yes. Gingerbread's chocolate?
No, I'm saying she likes gingerbread because it's not chocolate. Sarah doesn't care as long as they're cookies, right? Is that why you opted for gingerbread, because that's what's on your shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
So what we're going to do is, we are not 100% sure this will work, but we want to try. These are already in cubes, but we're curious if we can stamp these and you still be able to tell what they are, or if we could like roll these out and cut them into shapes. If not, these are going to be the easiest part of this cooking session, but we wanted to try just because honestly it was really hard to find like pre-made doughs. That's going to be too thick. Trust me. That's going to be too thick.
Maybe that's what we need to do with our reindeer. Just make it thicker.
The reindeer you probably will, but like with the thicker, or the stencils that have less detail, trust me, that would be too thick.
I made a person.
She's done with her tray, so she's ready. But what I'm thinking of doing is, once these 2 trays come out, change parchment paper out. Did you make a heart? Okay, put it on the tray. And try to see if we can A, either roll these out and maybe make shapes into them, or B, I wanted to try to stamp them, but I thought that these with this would come separate, the peppermint chunks, but I'm like, if you fill the package, you can feel they're actually on there. So I may just try to cut them instead of trying to stamp them. But they're having fun with the stamps. There's one Eat Me here, there's a stocking with the bow, and then a gingerbread stamp over there. And once the next batch of sugar cookie is ready, she wants to try the snowman. And there are the first 2 batches. We only have 3 drying rack or cooling racks. I call them drying racks. I don't know why. We don't dry anything on here. We have 3 cooling racks. They're kind of layered now. We didn't layer them until after they had cooled. We had like 1 layer on here, and when some cooled, we took some off and put the hotter ones on. But go ahead and pick that up. Show them. Yeah, 2 of the snowflakes.
Yeah.
Snowflakes stuck together. I am super happy with how these turned out. Okay, so the instructions on the box did say that shortbreads work better, and they did. The softer chocolate, where are they? These did not work as well for the cutter or for the stamps, but like the shortbreads do. Like sugar cookie, I don't think sugar cookie actually is a shortbread, but like where's one? This one was okay. It kind of didn't like one of you want to stamp it and it went sideways or something. Yeah, and then when we went to pick it off, we didn't have the flower surface, so this one didn't turn out great. There's one that turned out really good. Can we find it?
I think that's underneath all the chocolate.
Is it underneath all the chocolate? Can't find them. They're layered. We'll take them apart and show you though, but the gingerbread did really well with the cutters and the stamps. The third thing that they sent us though to try out was cookie and treat gift bags. These are so super cute. They've got snowflakes on them and they come with these pretty little ties. But before we bag them up, we want to try to decorate some of these. I am not the best person when it comes to icing cookies, but I tried and us having fun is what matters more. But I'm going to show you how mine turned out. So here is my Eat Me cookie, and again, like, I'm not the best at this, but we're having fun, so that's what matters. But yeah, I definitely need like a really fine tip to do that really detailed. But again, like, it's super cute and it just makes for something fun to do. I kind of want to see how these guys do with those, so we're going to try to find more of the stamped ones. That is it for our cookie making video. Thank you again to Star Pack for sponsoring the video and sending us these super adorable cookie cutters. The stamps are great. We actually found that if you like, I thought you just didn't want to actually push really hard on the cookie. If you do, they actually make wider letters and makes it easier to ice than the one that I did. So if you use them a little bit harder, also like the gingerbread, the sugar cookie, the ones that have a little bit more coarseness to them, they actually do a lot better with the stamps and with the cookie cutters. So we're looking forward to trying these with different cookie recipes all through winter this year. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.